Well, amigos, today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing drink that's actually perfect for summer. It's a drink that's been popular in the southern parts of Texas as well as the northern states of Mexico. And it's so delicious, so refreshing, a little bit spicy, savory, sweet. It's got all the flavors. Now you're going to start off by rimming your glass with your favorite chamoy sauce and some Tajin powder. Now you can layer it on as thin or as thick as you like. As you can see, I like it thick in some parts. And then you're going to fill your glass with ice. You can use like ice cubes or crushed ice, whatever you'd like. And then you're going to squeeze in some lime juice. Now I used one medium large lime. You can use as much or as little as you like. It'll depend on your taste. So you're going to have to make it at least once to know how much lime you like. And then you're going to add some salt. Again, it's to your taste. And then some Tajin powder. Again, you know, if you like it spicy, add a little bit more. And then you're going to add some chamoy sauce. I probably added a little too much, but it was so good. And I just like it that way. And then you're going to add your sparkling mineral water. I like to use Topo Chico because the carbonation is strong, and which is great for when you mix it with lime juice and the other the Tajin and chamoy, so it doesn't like dilute the bubbles. Then just give it a good stir, and then you're going to top it off with more water and ice cubes. And I like to top it with some chopped cucumber just to give it like another burst of flavor. And then, you know, you can make your glass nice and pretty. And then a tamarind stick goes really well. The full recipe is in the YouTube description and also the recipe card on my blog. I hope you try it.